Have you ever dined in a floating art installation? Welcome to Restaurant Iris by Norm Architects. Located inside the iconic Salmon Eye on Norway's Hardangerfjord, in Restaurant Iris, you'll get more than just a meal. You'll get an unforgettable experience. After a scenic boat ride, step into an intimate space where warm, natural materials meet the striking steel curves of Kvorning Design's futuristic architecture. The interior balances luxury and nature with walnut wood, soft lighting, and bespoke furniture, offering a cozy contrast to the industrial feel. The Michelin-starred menu focuses on sustainability, using locally sourced ingredients from land and sea, all while surrounded by breathtaking views of the fjord, glaciers, and mountains. Restaurant Iris is more than just a dining destination. It's a sensory experience that harmonizes nature, architecture, and cuisine in a way that will stay with you long after the meal. Read more about this project at ArchDaily.com.